Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a online store in Wix.com. So once on the manage.wix.com account/website, click on create new site. You can skip this if you'd like. I'm just going to skip this, skip without chat. And then the thing you want to make is, of course, an online store. There's a couple you can make, but we want to make an online store. So click on that online store. There's even more, like you can make an online pet store, a print store, a gift basket. I'm just going to make a more general one, which is just a normal online store, and then I'm going to press continue. After that, just let it load. Now your online store is made. The most important you need to do is, of course, to just pick a template for your website. To pick a template from the setup bar on the left-hand side here, scroll down and then press on Design Site. On Design Site, you can make it personalized with an AI, or you just pick your own custom template. I'm going to pick on my own custom template. And here, there's a lot of online store template you can pick from. There's like 11 of them, 11 pages of all of these. So just pick whichever one you'd like. I'm going to pick this, an accessory store. I'm going to press Edit. Great. Now your online store is set. You have a website ready to be customized, and beyond that, you just need to mess it around on your own. You'll figure it out.